Hey guys, what's up? It's currently 3:14 in the morning, guys. I do need to go to sleep, but instead it's the only time I have some peace and quiet and some time to myself. So let me just make this video for you guys. And yeah, let's shoot for like 50 views. I mean, I've been making videos for like 10 years straight for you guys, but yeah, 50 views should be great. Yeah. I don't know why I'm still making videos at this point. Alright, first week is called Checkra1n. Yeah, I can't just, it's crazy, man. I don't know who else in the world would upload like me and get like nothing out of it. Whatever. First week is called Checkra1n, supports iOS 11 to 14.8.1. And what this tweet does, it's a multiple container solution, guys. So pretty much it's just like Line. I use Line. I'll show you that tweet afterwards. But pretty much what both tweets do, I probably won't show you, so I'm just going to tell you what both tweets do anyway. But what both tweets do is that you just add containers. So it's pretty much like you add like 2 slots for like the app or game, and it's like two completely different saved accounts. You can have like 2 different progresses in games. You can have, let's say you have Discord or Snapchat, you have 2 Snapchats, like, you know, you can choose which one to go into. That's how Apple should have done it, like, but no, it's apparently, no. That's why we have Jailbreak and awesome tweets, because Apple just, you know, they don't want to add a bunch of cool features. But yeah, that's what it does. It's great if you want to have like 2 different or 4 different social media accounts, if you want to have you know, different like progresses in your game, if you want to, you know, all that kind of cool stuff. And she's called Twitter No Ads, and removes ads, can save videos, script an analytic URL when open a link. It's lightweight and supports iOS 12 to 14, latest Twitter app. Alright, we have what to sue tools, and it's a library for what to sue and WhatsApp tweets. Alright, we have Stalky, and you can check your friends' recent stats and profile picture updates on WhatsApp. With Twitter No Ads, which is the tweet I just actually covered a couple tweets ago. It's in the haoict.github.io/city/repo. The latest change with that, it fixes the issue where ads are shown again, overlap with normal posts. Next tweak is called I am lazy, and with this tweak you can easily back up and restore your tweets. Snorlads. Alright, we have a smart volume control 3. Change your volume. Smart VPN. Auto starts or close. VPN for app list, supports iOS 8 and 9, supports iOS 8 to 13, no ads. You can select the apps from settings. When you open up a last app of list, VPN will auto start connect. This is even English. Of course, you need to configure VPN before this. When you close all app of list, VPN will auto close. Yeah, obviously, you know, you can't even speak really proper English. I mean, just knowing 2 languages, I can't even talk. Like, that's amazing. I mean, I always learn a second language is a great skill, so I can't really talk. My English isn't even too good, and that's my only weakest card.